Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to quickly disable the Upload High-Quality Video option on Instagram, helping you save data and speed up your uploads. Whether you want to manage your data usage or just need your videos to upload faster, these easy steps will guide you through the process. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the necessary settings. Once you're in the app, look at the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where you can see your posts and account details. Next, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu or hamburger icon. Tap on those 3 lines to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section contains all the controls for your account and app preferences, including data usage options. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Data Usage and Media Quality. Tap on it to open more options related to how Instagram handles your photos and videos. Here's the key step. Look for the option called Uploads at High Quality. This setting, when enabled, ensures your videos and photos are uploaded in the highest quality possible, but it can use more data and take longer to upload. To disable this feature, simply tap the switch next to Uploads at High Quality, so it turns off. Once disabled, Instagram will no longer prioritize the highest quality for your uploads, which helps save data and can make your upload times much faster. That's it. You've successfully turned off high-quality uploads for your Instagram videos. This small change can make a big difference, especially if you're on a limited data plan or need your content to upload quickly. If you want to re-enable high-quality uploads in the future, just follow these same steps and turn the switch back on. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out our other tips for making the most out of your Instagram experience.